Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can send large videos on Gmail, but before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, locate the video that you would like to send. For me, it is present in my Photos app. Once you have located the target video, long press on it and then select Share. Now, if I select Gmail from the list, you can see that it is showing an error. In order to send it, close the Gmail app, tap on the More icon and select Drive. After that, upload the file and wait for it to complete. Now, go back to the home page of your device, open the Google Drive application and locate the file. Then tap on the three dots icon beside it, copy its link and share it with the target person. That's how you can send large videos on Gmail. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.